Hi everybody, I'm Parna again with you all with a new topic. Do you know the crazily interesting facts about yellow jackets? It is easy to mistake them from bees and admittedly we will do. Yellow jackets are actually wasps are far more ferocious than the humble world bees. Animal Tech brings you some rather interesting tidbits about these crazy strangers. Did you know, despite the notorious reputation, the Yellow Jacket is the mascot of Georgia Institute of Technology, one of the most prestigious universities in the United States. Wasps are primarily known as yellow jackets in the United States. These wasps belongs to the Vespula and Dolichovospula genera. The species is known to be quite aggressive and is feared by humans. However, the yellow jacket aggressions does not shadow their until utility and place in the food chain. They are known to be predators of most harmful pest insects. Identify the yellow jacket. Yellow jackets are hard to identify considered how similar they look to bees, hornets and paper wasps. A worker specimen is about 12 mm or 0.5 inches long, while the queens are larger, measuring about 19 mm or 0.75 inches long. The trademark alternatingly bands on the abdomen are also common to bees, which primarily causes the confusions. However, yellow jackets lack the fuzzy coating of hair on their bodies and do not have the flat and fuzzy hind legs of bees which are used to carry pollen. Why are they dangerous? Yellow jackets tends to nest in secure places such as hollow logs, stumps, barks of trees, rodent burrows, etc. They are known to be quite ferocious while defending their nest. Human known often knowingly or unknowingly may disturb their place of dwelling, which results in a vicious retaliations. These insects become quite aggressive as the summer moths progress. This is the time when the size of their colony keeps steadily increasing while the food supply dwindles. Yellow jackets are primarily scavengers and they start to show up at picnics and barbecues. Sodas and sugary treats are a favorite. Hover around garbage cans, pet food placed outside or wherever they can find ripe or overripe fruits. These are the kind of food items they usually go after to fulfill their body sugar requirement. The yellow jacket sting is extremely painful and they are known to sting relentless while provoked. They have lens like strangers with very tiny barbs which at times may get detached and lodge in the person's skin, especially if the insects get inside the clothing. The venom is considered dangerous only to know those who have been stung repeatedly or are allergic to it. Some interesting facts. Yellow jackets build their colonies in spring. Their air temperature are quite crucial during nest building activities, which is begun by a single reproductive queen. Each of these colonies can reach population of between 1500 to 15,000 individuals, which include queens, drones, males and workers. The nests are built using fiber scrap from wood which is mixed with saliva. A perfect place is one that is scheduled and protected, preferably underground. Rodent holes are common nesting ground which are expand to fit their needs by digging and moistening the surrounding soil. So if you see a few of these hovering over a spot on the ground, it's probably their nesting site, which is your cue to leave. As they build their nest in spring and early summer, the yellow jacket's diet is mostly carnivorous during this time. They tend to make a meal of insects which provides them with the necessary proteins to pass on to developing larvae in their colony. By doing so, they help keep the population of garden pests such as caterpillars in check. As the summer progresses, so does their population. This is time when their diet changes to include more sugars. As natural food sources begin to dry up, they turn to scavenging these entering spaces inhabited by humans. It is apparently very easy to agitate these insects. There have been instances when sound and vibration coming from lone movers have triggered an attack even from a fair distance. Related post. Crazily interesting facts about blue racer snakes. The blue racer snakes is found in many parts of the United States and a limited area of Canada. Animal Tech features some must know blue racer snake facts. Utterly interesting facts about mosquito fish. Mosquitoes are very annoying. We all know that you must have come across various methods of mosquitoes control. But have you ever heard of a tiny fish that can help? Incredibly interesting facts about starfish. The depths of the ocean are home to many amazing sea creatures. Starfish is surely one of them. These interesting facts about the starfish will not only amaze you but. So friends, hope you understand about this topic. I will be again here with you all to discuss with other interesting topics. Thank you.